Hello, Professor and everyone. I'm Hw7. I'm here to finish the video question in homework 7. There are 2 questions in this homework. Let's get started from the first one. The first one is question 7. In this question, we had know the probability variable z about t, and we had know the formula of this variable, where theta is a uniform distributed in 0 and 2 pi, and NT1 and NT2 are well-sense station process, and NT1, NT2, and theta are all independent. The first sub-question is find the expected value of the variable zt. Well, actually, it is a very regular question since we had know the formula of the variable zt, and if we want to know the result of this expected value, we can just put the formula of the z into the calculation formula of the expected value of z, just like this one. And after the calculation and wash up of the formula, we can get the result of this expected value about z is equals to 0. And the next one is to calculate the auto correlation value of z about t1 and t2, and to make a judgment about is the zt is the well-sense stationary process. About the first part, find the auto correlation. The calculation formula just like this one. After the wash up of the formula, we can get the result since many parts in this calculation formula can be washed up, so the finally result of this autocorrelation value is equals to the is just equals to the autocorrelation value of the tau. And well, actually, after the calculation, we had found the probability variable about the t is just the formula which satisfied the definition of well-sense stationary process. So in the calculation process, we both know the first result of the question and the second part. And the last one is find the autocorrelation value of z when t is equals to 0 if the zt is well-sense stationary process. Well, since we had calculate this result, it is easy for us to put the value of tau when equals to 0. We can get the result of this autocorrelation is equals to 1/2 that the expected value of ny t power plus the expected value of 2 power of n2t. So that's the first question.